Most crypto traders lose money because they overcomplicate everything. Today, I'll show you a simple strategy I use to stay profitable on prediction markets. Hey everyone, Lucas here. Today I'm going to explain and show you how to trade prediction markets the right way. I personally moved away from traditional trading and started trading on platforms like Polymarket, Kalshi, and others. But now I trade only on Srypto. I'll explain why later. Let me show you the indicator we'll be using today. It's called Williams fractals. Select it and you'll see these triangle signals appear on the chart. If there's a red triangle, we enter a trade that the price will go up. If there's a green triangle, we enter a trade that the price will go down. It's very simple. Right now, the red and green triangles are our signals. We're going to enter a trade based on the latest signal. We'll enter a trade that the price will go down. We're placing $5,000 on the price going down. That's it, we successfully entered the trade. As you could see on the chart, we got a signal and the price immediately moved down. Of course, it doesn't always work perfectly, but over the long run, we're always in profit. The win rate is over 75%. Let's wait for the round to end and collect our profit. The trade closed and we made a profit of $3,700. Just look at how well our indicator performs. Right after the green triangle appears, the price moves down. That means the indicator works really well. The only thing is, it doesn't work on 5-minute time frames, 1-hour charts, and so on. That's one of the reasons I switched from Polymarket and Kalshi to Srypto. First of all, they've never limited my account. Another good thing is that I don't have to verify my identity here. And I don't pay any taxes on my profits here either. That's just a quick summary. Now let's wait for the next signal and continue. Sorry about that, my phone ran out of storage while I was recording. We were a little late entering this trade, but that's okay. We can still get in on this signal since the round has just ended. We already have a green triangle, but there's still enough time to enter a trade that the price will go up. Our entry price is still good. It's lower than the current price, so we can still enter the trade. Subscribe and leave a like. I share useful trading information. Watch until the end for a deposit promo code. I'll be placing $5,000 again. Always risk only 10% of your total balance. Risk management is extremely important in trading. Now let's wait and see how this signal plays out. After that, we'll take the next signal, which is the green one, unless of course something changes on the chart first. Our trade was a winner. We just made another $6,600 in profit. Now let's wait for the next signal and enter one more trade. Take a look at this. I'm not entering this trade because the signal is no longer showing on TradingView. It's still visible on Srypto, but I'm going to skip this one and wait for the next signal. Or I might watch it a little longer and enter later. We'll see how it plays out. Now I realize the problem was my internet, not the platform. I had to refresh the page. We're entering this trade as well, $5,000 on the price going down. It's most likely my internet that's lagging and not showing the signals. Once it catches up, I think a signal should appear here because we just had a strong move down. Let's wait for the round to end and see what happens. Our trade was a winner again. We made another $4,000 in profit. And if you've watched all the way to this point, here's your promo code, YES100. Enter it on your first deposit to get a bonus from me. That's it for today. Let's withdraw our funds and wrap things up. I want to show you how easy it is. Just choose your preferred withdrawal method, select the wallet you want to use, and confirm the verification email sent to the address you signed up with. After that, just confirm the withdrawal and wait for the funds to arrive in your wallet. Now all that's left is to wait for the money to arrive in our wallet. Let me show you how fast the withdrawals are. It usually takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Just like I said, the money arrived quickly. Their withdrawals are fast, although sometimes there can be delays, just like with any platform. As you could see, the withdrawal was approved and the funds showed up in my wallet. Thanks to everyone who watched the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments what I can improve and what other trading topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.